Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, you'll learn how to unblock emails in Outlook and make sure important messages reach your inbox again. We'll walk through the process step by step in a simple way. Now let's get started. Step 1, open Outlook and look at the top menu where you'll find the Home tab. From the Home tab, click on Junk and then select Junk Email Options, which is the main place where Outlook controls spam filtering and blocked emails. Step 2, when the Junk Email Options window opens, go to the Blocked Senders tab. This tab shows a complete list of email addresses and domains that Outlook is currently blocking, helping you manage who can and cannot send you emails. Step 3, carefully locate the email address or contact you want to unblock from the list and click on it to select it. After selecting the address, click the Remove button, which allows future emails from that sender to come through normally. Step 4, once the address is removed, click Apply and then click OK to save your changes. This final step is important because it confirms the settings and ensures the unblocked sender's emails will appear in your inbox. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.